Hi, welcome back to Accounting with Morgan. This is the financial accounting series, and today we will mainly be talking about T accounts. Let's start with the basics. What is a ledger? A ledger is simply a group of all accounts a business uses. When we post to the ledger, we're taking the journal entries that we already made and transferring them into individual accounts. That way, we can track the balances for each account over time. To make posting easier, we use something called a T account. It's shaped like the letter T, super visual, super useful. The left side is for debits and the right side is for credits. Here's what the format looks like. You write the account name at the top, draw a big T, label the left side with the debits and the right side is for the credits. Then you take each journal entry and post the amounts to the appropriate side and the correct account. And also, don't forget to include the dates. So here's an example. Your company pays $500 in rent. In your journal entry, you would debit rent expense for $500 and then credit cash for $500. When you post to the ledger, you go to the rent expense T account and put $500 on the debit side. And then for the cash T account, you put $500 on the credit side. And boom, you've just posted to the ledger. Now let's say that this is the same business, but you have another transaction. So you receive $1,200 in cash for services performed. So you're going to debit that $1,200, and then you also see the $500 from the last slide because it's the same business, but this time you're debiting cash because you're getting cash. And then to service revenue, you're going to put that on the credit side. So why does all this posting stuff matter? Because it updates the balance of each account, and once you've posted your journal entries, you can create a trial balance and then your financial statements. Without posting, everything would stay stuck in your journal and you wouldn't know your account balances. In summary, posting is how we move from journal entries to account balances. T accounts are a great tool to organize and visualize account activity. Thank you so much for watching. Up next, we will have how to prepare a trial balance. And don't forget about those practice quizzes to help lock in this information into your genius brains. Thank you again for watching.